Freedom is an inner feeling. It is the ability to choose what you want. It's the knowledge that you are the captain of the ship. Freedom is knowing that you own your own life and that you are the one in charge. Freedom is essential for joy. The following affirmations will help you to focus your attention on claiming your right to experience freedom in every aspect of your life. Listen to the following affirmations, and if you would love to, I invite you to repeat them in your own mind or out loud. Try these affirmations out for 30 days and feel the difference. Let's begin. I am free to choose my own beliefs. I am free to think my own thoughts. I am free to feel what I feel. I am free to find my own truth. I am free to do what I want to do. I am free to have my own view of reality. I am free to look at the world differently. I am free of all labels others place on me. I am free not to judge. I am free to create each day. I am free to travel and have new adventures. I am free to imagine a better world. I am free of the need for approval from others. I am free to explore my potential. I am free to follow the flow of life. I am free to express my uniqueness. I am free to be happy as much as I want to be. I am free to dream and pursue that dream. I am free to have whatever values matter to me. I am free to be powerful. I am free to appreciate. I am free to be fully present in my life. I am free to be totally healthy. I am free to live each moment as fully as possible. I am free to explore whatever I want to explore. I I am free to grow in whatever way I want to grow. I am free to seek higher consciousness in my own way. I'm free to find my own path and do my own thing. I'm free to enjoy the silence of the moment. I am free to take it easy and to relax. I am free to play and enjoy life. I am free to be who I am. I am free to choose my emotions. I am free to live fully. I am free to live with a sense of peace and empowerment. I am free to choose my path of joy. I am free to create my own life. I am free to live my life on my terms. I am free to choose my spiritual path. Listen to these affirmations for the next 30 days and enjoy an increasing sense of freedom in your life. Have a beautiful day.